Hi everyone. In my last video, Time Part 1, The Future, I showed some interesting clips and links to the science of traveling to the future. If you haven't seen it, you can click on the link in the description. In this video, we're going to travel back in time to the past. Let's get started.
If you can travel between two distant points in space using such wormholes, then you can effectively travel from one end of the wormhole, point A, to the other end, point B, faster than the speed of light.
There's no question the multiverse is having a kind of moment in popular culture. You know, Marvel movies have been leaning into it. Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness, various Spider-Man movies, but also Rick and Morty and Everything Everywhere All at Once. You might think it's the fault of physics because physicists have been talking about a multiverse for a few decades now, both in cosmology and quantum mechanics.
This means that at the microscopic level, processes are reversible. If you watch a movie of particles colliding and then run the movie backward, you won't be able to tell the difference. This phenomenon is known as time reversal symmetry.
It's clear why this would be so interesting to people because we've all made decisions. We've all wondered what life would be like if they were a little bit different. If an election had gone a different way, if our team had gone a different way, if we had not gotten hurt, if we had asked that person out for a date. And this sort of makes us think, well, maybe we're in the wrong universe. We're in the wrong timeline. There's another world out there. That's the one I want to be in. You know, it's possible. There literally are other universes out there, places where things are different.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like and subscribe if you did. Happy traveling.